If you're on the market for a new work light for your car, this is a must-see video. This is $20. This work light is a Harbor Freight light by Braun. Has a 180-degree flexible head. The way I found out about this light is we were working on the Aston Martin, putting in new spark plugs on the DB7 Vanquish. And my buddy showed me this light from Harbor Freight, which was way better than any light I had. This is fully rechargeable. It lasts for 12 hours, and it has a very, very strong magnet on the bottom of it, which I'll show you how it works. What's great about it is the flexible head. So whenever you're working on your car and there's nooks and crannies, you can't see a bolt, this flexible head really works great, and the magnet's super strong. Another thing is not having to buy batteries. This is rechargeable. So for $20, I haven't been able to find a better lightsaber LED looking flashlight out there, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. Now that the G's parked in a kind of dark area, let's light up this stick and show you under the hood where it shines best, and what makes this stick for $20 an unbelievable buy. So let's go ahead and pop the hood here. Damn, I gotta turn that key back so it doesn't hum like that. That's annoying. Alright, to show you guys how strong this is, look how, yes, my engine's a little dirty. It actually needs a hand wiping. But here, look how strong that magnet is. And then if you just need to flex the head, flexes like this, so you can see all the way around. Goes all the way up like this too. I think what's nice about it is, say you just stick it right here and it works great. Alright, you guys, that'll conclude today's video on the $20 car work light. I haven't been able to find a better work light, and this one is 390 lumens and has a 12-hour lithium ion battery. It's magnetic, it's very flexible, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I spent a lot of time trying to find a new light to go for working on the car, and this one by far for 20 bucks is the best deal. Alright, well, that'll do it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one.